GeBrax offers an enormous selection of qualities from leading manufacturers in neutral design as stock items. In addition to the mandatory OSA safety requirements for grinding tools such as grit, running direction, batch number, there are deliberately no further indications of the origin of the goods. A large selection of products is already available in the extensive stock range. GeBrax is in consistent dialogue with the world's leading manufacturers of abrasives and tests new qualities on a regular basis. Regardless of the supplier situation, only top qualities are added to the program. With GeBrax, you are always up to date. In addition to the stock goods, GeBrax also manufactures according to your specification and needs. Individual dimensions of grinding belts are part of daily business for GeBrax. Abrasive belts are produced from a width of 3 mm. Length of up to 90 meters are possible. GeBrax also offers different materials for packaging. GeBrax will be happy to advise you on the optimal packaging for your product. Short and narrow belts in shrink wrap with label, long belts in banderole, chef tools and discs in matching cardboard boxes. Packed for you in a wide variety of shapes and sizes. The request for a private label is usually followed by the question of the purchase quantity. Even if the products are kept neutral and only contain the most important information, GeBrax labels your product packaging individually and in color, regardless of the quantity. Create and strengthen your own brand and make the products distinctive. Talk about the topic. GeBrax shows you various design options. GeBrax supports you with heart and passion in the implementation of your projects. Trust the GeBrax team and become a partner.